Yes, sir. It's a nice day to work on the thing. Yep. You got that intake manifold off. Now what? Pull the fuse. It's time to clean the injectors. And I don't want fuel pissing all over. And there was the original culprit of why the engine was running like crap. Number 6 spark plug gone. Yes, sir. After starting it and draining it, I emptied that negative thing. Now it's time to take the bolts out. Yes, sir. Here we go. Continuing. Yes. Take the electrical out. And it's so old. It's stuck on there. Maybe you can get a channel lock on it like I did, or the correct tool like most do. Now, take that fuel rail off. Thank God nothing cracked. And okay, it's twisting. Yeah. Alright, time to pull it a lot, but not that much, just a little. And enough. Yep, there it is. Yep, Dollar General 6-volt batteries. Wiring it up. Got these on sale, might as well use them. Then I'm gonna hook it up to that injector to open the switch so I can clean it. One lead. Tappy tappy. It's working. I took the caps off of the batteries and I put a little hole in it so I could fit it over my carb clean. There it is. Chickens approved. Now press it on and spray it through. That's the name of the game, folks. Cleaning injectors to make them last. Because they're expensive. Alright. There it is. Cleaning it up. Face shot. And that's all we got, folks. Thanks for watching. Please like. Please subscribe. I got nothing else to do but normally do what I do.